Hey guys, I would like to show you how can I replace the seat trim on BMW i3 2013 Rex model what's broken accidentally. I ordered a new part based on the part number, as you see that on the attached screenshots. Don't be shocked, all these prices are in Hungarian forint. That's cost about 47 US dollar. Shipping was quite quick, 3 or 5 business days, and as you see that replacement is very OEM part, smells like. To remove it was very simple, only 2 screws and 2 side handles to remove. To remove it needed a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver and a strong plastic hook or a small flathead to remove the side handle that's quite fragile. In order, you must start with the side handles to remove, pointing out what piece of plastic you have to lift to be able to remove side handles. When side handle is removed, you will be able to reach and remove the 2 Torx screws. After then, easily you can remove the cover in one piece. This time you are able to adjust whatever you want on the seat, on the side. If you have to change anything, that's the right time to do that. I hope you enjoy my video guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Soon more content will coming with BMW i3s. See you next time guys.